How do you like this paint color? It's called Rustic Rouge or Beige Foundation. Or maybe it's Bologna Brown. I have no idea what it is. I painted it a few months ago and I didn't retain the paint color and number. But that's okay, because with this trick you don't need to remember the paint name or color. You just record it on a strip of tape and put it on the back of a switch plate. That's what I did here. Spiced nutmeg. So there's the name of the paint and the number. So if you take this to the paint store with this bit of information, they can get you another can of paint exactly the same color. Now if you've been to the paint store recently, you may have noticed that they also put a sticker on the top of the can that looks like this. And this also has the paint number and the name on it. So when you're at the store, have them print out a second sticker and you can put it in a notebook. So if you don't want to put tape on the back of a switch plate, you can record the sticker in a notebook with the name of the room on it. And then you don't have to worry about remembering the name of the paint, just where you recorded it.